Hey guys, let me guess, you found this cheap espresso coffee machine on the Aliexpress or some similar site and you want to see a review, so here it is. We will get this Gemilai, ITOP, Gustino or whatever branding it is. It has 15 bar pump, which is probably standard. Portafilter handle, this cleaning tool, single basket, which is terrible, double basket, which is good enough, scoop and temper, I didn't use that, and proper, I don't know if it's stainless steel, but some kind of steel temper, which is good for the double basket. This espresso machine has Thermoblock, so it heats up pretty fast, but I recommend to flush it through the portafilter at least for 10 seconds or maybe even twice, because it's not heating this metal part only after you flush it. I do like doing single shot, and this single shot basket is pretty much terrible, like most of them. So I'm using this La Marzocco Advanced 7 gram basket. You can see it, yes, and it is much better. You can see this is portafilter holder and La Marzocco basket fits perfectly. You don't need naked portafilter, but it's not so easy to place it. It's a little bit harder, and I'm worried about the plastic body. I can broke it probably, but it gets better. I don't know if it's the sealing or the metal part. I think the basket it is a little bit wider, so it probably also managed to scratches this metal part. To fill the coffee, just inside this smaller part, I use this funnel, 3D printed. It's not the best, but pretty good. And there are also some stainless steel options you can buy for that. Well, you can see after tamping, just in the middle, I use this 3D printed temper, which is 41mm. It fits perfectly. Probably stainless steel will be better, but I will buy later. See? Awesome, right? I found pretty difficult to maintain 9 bar pressure. It's probably good with the double shot. I didn't use much, but for the single, even the stock one, it is pretty fast. In 20-second instruction I get like 40 grams of coffee from 7-8 gram, even 9 gram coffee. It's too fast. I've also write to ITOP if there is possible to restrict the pressure, because it goes up to almost 15 bars, like 14 to 15 bars, which is way too much. Alright, so let's pull a single shot. See? 12 bars. It has like 3 to 4 seconds pre-infusion, which is good. Could be a little bit more, but I like it. And you can see it's not the best shot, but also not the bad one. Crema is good. I don't know if you can see that. it's not bad at all. I use Lavazza Bourbon, which is pretty dark roast, but I like the taste. Some better choices would be like Lavazza Super Crema or Top Class or Illy, something like that, or fresh roasted beans. I had a problem with light roasted beans because I always got under extraction and sour espresso. It can be done partially fixed before you start the single shot or double shot. You just press the steam, it will start heating up. You let it like, I don't know, 5 to 10 seconds, then switch it off, and it just heats the water or the heating element a bit more, and you partially fix the sourness, but it's not perfect. You need to grind really fine for single light roast, and I had a problem with my Breville Dose Control Pro. I have it set on 6 right now, but I was at 0, and also the inner bore is at 4, so there's only 4 more steps for fine grained. So thanks for watching. I will probably do more videos. I have this machine for 2 weeks or so, or maybe later. Also some steaming, and maybe when I get better temper and something like that. I can really recommend this machine. It cost under $200 and I found it really good. It won't probably last long. I hope 5 years or at least 2 years. It should be with 2-year warranty because I've bought it on Aliexpress from German warehouse. So check the link below and buy it also. Bye guys.